Good morning everyone, welcome back to Maya Stories channel. Today's video is about I'm going solo to Johor Bahru. Now I'm in Woodland temporary bus interchange. The bus is here. Okay, let's go. Alright, now it's 9 a.m. Yeah, I have passed the immigration. Total is about 40 minutes from Woodlands bus interchange to JB Sentral. Migration board was empty, but only a little bit jammed before going to the SG custom. For the record, today is Thursday, and the rate for today is 3.295. I'm going to AEON Tebrau. I'm gonna take the T14. A little bit of queue situation. I'm going to take the 9:30 a.m. bus. For the complete review of T14, you can watch my video of the review in the description box below. Thank you, Bang. Okay. The journey was about 35 minutes from JB Sentral to AEON Tebrau. Let's go in. There is new building in AEON Tebrau. Sutaya Bookstore. Opening on 15 November. And there is this Tebrau City Food Hall opening also on November 15. Ground floor, new wing. You can see the tenant there. The building is here. You can see from outside there. The building is over there. It's a new wing. Now it's about 10:05. It's just nice. The mall is just open here. I'm going to have breakfast first. Salad Atelier. It's a new store. The food isn't ready yet, so I go for a walk first. There is this Mark and Spencer in AEON Tebrau. I think last time only in City Square Mall or JBCC Counter. And they have a little bit of food section also. to see Muji. This is the Sutaya bookstore. It's beside LC Waikiki. And this one here is the food hall located beside Uniqlo. This is the map of the food hall. We are here. Try this herbal tea from the Chinese medicine store. It's not taste RM4 per cup. For dinner, I'm going to take away the Sanok Thai kitchen. Turn out the money changer in AEON Tebrau has the better rate, 3.31 for $50 notes. Buy this wasabi broth bean. Buying this 200 gram of Sarawak white pepper, 21 ringgit. Buy this 3-in-1 coffee for 9.90 ringgit. Buy this Coco Crunch 450 gram for 17.50 ringgit. Got this free gift. I think shopping at the weekday is not that enjoyable because not much of the items are on promotion, so it's better come on weekend. Buying this plant-based cookies from Cookie Time from New Zealand, 80-90. Buying xiao bachai, one for 2.20, 9 ringgit. And also buy coconut, 8 ringgit. Okay, my total shopping is okay, I'm done with AEON Tebrau. Now moving to Toppen or Ikea. Turn out it's raining outside. There is this locker at AEON Tebrau. For small, it's 20 ringgit for 6 hours. For bigger one is 30 ringgit. Payment accepted. Okay. This is the locker. Okay, now I'm at Ikea, having tea time with spring roll and chocolate muffin. In total is 8 ringgit. Enjoy! I'm in Toppen ya. There is this restaurant Kluang Station. Decor is quite unique. Going to Mr. DIY ya, at Topend. Looking for snack clip. Okay, already acquired the snack clip ya. Probably I'm going to Dunkin' Donut to take away some donuts home. I'm not getting the Dunkin' ya, because the Dunkin' very crowded. And I want to rush to the bus stop. It's 4:27 p.m. The bus is there ya. And it will departs in 3 minutes. I hope I could get into the bus. After land now it's very bright. Here we go, the bus. 100% electric bus. Okay, inside the bus already ya. And there are a few people inside the bus. Now we are heading to JB Sentral. Bye bye Ikea Tebrau. The journey from Toppen to JB Sentral about 40 minutes. I'm gonna end the video here. Thank you all for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.